What?
What the fuck?
What was that?
Where's Stinky Paint? He needs to come. We'll kill that son of a bastard.
Oh my god.
Dude, they're gonna call the cops. They're gonna think we're fighting.
And I'll be like, and I'm like, grenade, bitch. Bowling ball, explosion, and then I'm like,
What the heck are you doing?
I'm like, bitches. They bring in a SWAT team like double swords. Zoom, 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 zoom. Cut you in half. Zoom, 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 zoom. And I'm like, and like,
He's still doing this.
you know, and then I pull out a Terminator, just. And then I'm just like, I need a cigarette.
That was the most dramatic.